Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the AirPods case from Mujjo, however you want to pronounce it. I reviewed a phone case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max from them about a month ago, and after that they sent me this. I've actually been having it, it's been in line for me to take a look at, but I just had to get all my S23 content out of the way first since that just came out. But this is a leather case. This is the blue one. They have a couple different colors. I will link them down in the description below if you want to check these out for yourself. But this is an AirPods case for the AirPods second generation, for the Pro second generation rather. It is wireless charging capable, slim design, and it is vegetable tanned, full grain leather. And I did kind of just slide this up to take a little peek at it before I started the video. And you can definitely smell that leather smell, and it smells amazing. Very, very nice. Some more specs on the back here. It has a cutout for the charging indicator. It's got a clip built into it, and it also has a opening for the lanyard if you're using the second generation case, so you can put your lanyard on there. And it's got an opening at the bottom for the speaker, so you can do your Find My Sounds and that kind of stuff. And it's also got a cutout for the sync button, so you do not have to remove this case to get to any of your AirPods Pro second generation features. So we're going to go ahead and take this out, just slide this off here, and we'll go ahead and pull it out. Let's see, just unclip the little clip right there, set that off to the side. One cool thing I like right away is the top piece and the bottom piece are separate. I have another case here, I believe, I forget what brand this one is. This was the Ander leather case. It's got some stuff stuck to it. But the case, the top and the bottom piece, this is for the first generation, is one piece here, which kind of makes it a little bit hard to slide off when you want to take it off. So we'll check this out on the second gen case, which I have right here. And we'll check this out and see if it is any easier to remove when you want to take it off. So we've got the front right here, it's got the little hole for your light. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put this on with it open. Let's see. Just like so. Everything lines up. We'll just give it a little push. It's got a little opening right here where the hinge is, so it can, pop open and stuff like that. Got a little button cut out right here for your sync button if you need to push that while this is in the case. And then there is a cutout over here on the side for your lanyard, so you can easily get your lanyard in there still, which you don't really need because it does have its own built-in little clip right there, so you can clip this to like your keys or something like that. Backpack doesn't really, whatever you want to use it with. And then we've got the cutout right here for your LED. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it is there. And then of course you can take your AirPods in and out just like you were able to before. It doesn't affect that in any way. But let's try out the removal, because that other one was really hard to get off. So it looks like with this, with the back being open, you just pop it off just like so. And then for the bottom, it's probably easier if you open it and get some leverage and just give it a little, kind of wiggle it down. There you go. So you can remove it just as easy as it goes on. I'm just actually going to go ahead and put it back on because I'm going to leave it on and use it. But that is the Mujjo. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but there you go. Little information card right there that comes inside of it. And that is the AirPods Pro second generation case. Should work just fine with the first generations as well. Actually, we'll go ahead and give that a little test before I end the video because I have them right here. Let's see. I believe the case is, the same size and everything. So yeah, works just fine for your your first generation case as well. Charging light's still there. Your volume or your lightning connector's still there. You just have the speaker cutouts and the lanyard cutout, which don't go to anything on the first generation one because it doesn't have that. So everything else is still there. Pull it back off. And your cutout for your sync button is still lined up because that's in the same place on either one of them. So no problem there. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these back in. Oop, that's backwards. Pop that back in just like so. I think I put it on. Yeah, I put it on backwards. Anyway, I'll fix that after the video. But there it is, second generation AirPod case from Mujjo, right there in the navy blue. Really like that color. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.